Take a ride in the 2016
Chevy Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, front performance tires, rear performance tires, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.